I'd had 2 stores prior to this one in the inner city. So it was my dream to be in downtown Detroit. My whole basis was, the closer to the water, the better. And, live, work, and play in downtown Detroit. We're kind of like an international city. We're right here next door to Canada. So being close to the water was important to me, and to get the feeling of being in a more cosmopolitan atmosphere. It definitely feels like home to me. I'm a native Detroiter, and I've always had great success in everything that I've done here in the city, so I've never had a reason to leave. We started with very expensive eyewear in the very beginning. We were definitely an eyewear store, and then we grew to being a store that offered designer jeans and different brands that you couldn't find anyplace else. Well, some of the best sellers, it goes back to in the 90s when we carried the Spike Lee merchandise. I think that's what really put Spectacles on the map, and that's really where we got the monarch of being a hip-hop store. We have things that are unique to our boutique. That's what brings customers to us. That's what they expect. We try to have things that are kind of on the edge of what's going on, and we try to educate our customers along with, keeping them entertained and shopping, but giving them a wide variety of things to choose from.